Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all social media. And today's video is gonna be a junk journaling video. I have to say, this journal, it's getting really, really large. So much to the point that it has become a little difficult to actually junk journal in because of this right here. And I don't think there's any fixing it. Maybe if I take it out of this, I don't know if it'll even make a difference, but I mean, I can try, you know. There's just like so much stuff in here, it's crazy. So I had it in my, I think it would have made a difference had I started doing this from the start. But I had it in my traveler's notebook, and obviously it was kind of creating that like extra crazy. Also didn't help that at the beginning I put a lot of like cardboard stuff, so that is changing this time around. I'm kind of doing something different to help that. But I do have some junk accumulated that I want to junk journal with, so let's go ahead and get started. I actually got this thing to hopefully help with this, so we'll see how it does. I have two of them, so I do know that this one for sure needs it, so maybe I'd even put it on the side here, like something like that. I think that'll help a little bit. And then I think this side will be okay. So let's go ahead and look through my junk that I've accumulated, because I have quite a bit here. I did do a spread over the weekend, and I love the way it turned out. It looks really cute. I think it looks adorable. So that turned out really cute, but I still have some more junk that I want to junk journal with. I think I do need a clip for this side. So let me grab my old pink one that I was using. I think that helps a little bit. Okay, so I have quite a bit here, as you can tell. And I even have some stuff that I was going to get rid of that I'm like, well, don't get rid of it. Like, you can junk journal with it. So we can definitely figure something out. But I do have quite a bit here. I have this Ninja Turtles thing that my husband got. This I can throw away, but I even have like the little bag that I thought I could do something with. I'm gonna try to undo this so it doesn't take up so much space. So like that. Okay, so there's this, and that's like green. I have the Manisa receipt that I saved from the purchase of the Ninja Turtles thing, so that could go like together. So let me put that aside. I even have this little box from Kinokuniya, which was a little blind box. I have a Bath and Body Works receipt. I have this Summer Moon Coffee little coffee sleeve, cup sleeve, a Kaweco pen box. That could go good with that. I have this from Manisa also, so that could go over here. But I kind of like theming it in a way that's like within the same color patterns. I normally don't care, but like, I don't know, it's just like, I think it looks a little bit more cohesive. I even have this letter that I got from my friend that I wanted a junk journal with. I didn't want to get rid of it. It's so pretty. I think I may actually put this in my Hobonichi cousin, because I think this is just so pretty. So I think I may save that somewhere else. I have this right here. This is a Kaweco sticker. I may actually put that in my Hobonichi, so put that off to the side. But I do have this that came with the Kaweco pen. I actually had this whole ordeal with a fountain pen that I purchased from a store in Austin, and this is the pen. It's this Kaweco one. I got it in a medium. I since then switched the nib to my extra fine one that I had, but the medium one wasn't, it kept skipping, and I emailed the store, and they wanted me to go back to the store to try to get it like troubleshooting to try to fix it. I'm like, well, I'm not in Austin. Like, I can't just go back to the store. So I emailed Kaweco, and they're so graciously going to send me a replacement, because I sent them videos and like pictures and everything. So I was like, I'm not lying. Like, this isn't my first Kaweco. I have multiple ones. So like, I don't know what to do, but thankfully, they were able to, they're going to send me a replacement. So that's really nice. So yeah, and what is this? Oh, this is actually the store. That's so funny. It's Paper Craft Pantry. I was honestly, the store is really pretty, but I was really disappointed with the way like with their response. Like, I didn't expect them to like replace it. I was like, well, maybe like they'll send me like a shipping label and I can like send it back and maybe they can like replace it that way. And at one point I was like, I'm just gonna return it, like forget this. But it was just such a frustrating situation. But thankfully Kaweko was so kind to actually replace it. Okay, so I'm not really sure. I think I'm gonna go with the pink color. I got this paper from Daiso and I love all these colors that it came with. So I figured I could use this on my junk journal. I know like junk journal is supposed to be for like junk stuff, but I don't know, it's still fun to buy a couple things here and there to make it fun and interesting. Ooh, I like this. It looks like a picnic. That's so fun. So, but I am actually thinking about using like this one. I do feel like I used blue on the last one, but I think that'll be fine. But maybe I will cut it, so maybe we'll do half. I think that'll be pretty good. So let me cut this and we can glue this down. It is very, very thin paper, so that makes me really happy because that means I won't have to, it won't thicken up my journal as much. So that is really nice. So I'm just gonna cut it. It doesn't have to be perfect because I do end up layering. I have to say I've been loving junk journaling. I already have another journal that I'm gonna start as soon as I'm done with this one because that's how much I love it. Like, it's just been really nice to, in a way, like memory keep with the little things that I've accumulated, like whether it be like a coffee sleeve or like a receipt or any little knickknack, and just like stick them on paper. It's like really fun and it's like mindless stuff, and I don't know, it's just fun to like not worry about being like super creative, but like still having fun, still enjoying my time like doing it, you know, if that makes any sense. Let me actually remove this for now so I can try to get it a little closer to the edge. That works. And we can do that. And then I'm gonna stick the other one on the opposite side. I think it's the plan. But yeah, it's been really fun just like, I don't know, just being creative, just doing stuff that doesn't require like a lot of thinking. I have also been enjoying journaling a lot. Like, I've been writing down like all of my thoughts and feelings and emotions and the whole thing, and it's just been really good for my mental. So that's been something positive that I've incorporated into my daily life. I'm thinking I'm going to use this one and put it up here. I think this is really cute, but I am going to cut this in right here, that, and then like that. And what I've been doing is removing the top layer of whatever I want to add from the cardboard so it doesn't thicken up my page as much. I feel like that's been really, really helpful. I am thinking about putting this somewhere right here, maybe like that. I think that'll look good. Do want it to, but I'm not sure if I should do like a strip of pink, like something pink down here to help it like stand out a little bit, you know? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Maybe I can grab like washi. Hold on. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this one. I am gonna roughly see where I'm gonna lay this so I know where to put it. So I think just like around there. So like right here, somewhat. Oh, this is like tough. Why is it so tough? I'm just gonna cut it with my scissors then. So like that. This is getting so difficult with how like chunky it is. But I think, let me just double check to make sure. Yeah, I think that'll look cute. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my glue now, my glue stick, and hopefully that looks cute. I'm thinking we may even make 2 spreads because the weekend's coming along, and I feel like over the weekend is where I accumulate like a lot of junk. So it kind of makes sense. Something like that. Okay, I think that's cute. And then thinking I'm gonna end up putting this one somewhere over here. But for now, I'm just gonna wait for now because I do want to remove this little sticker. I do have undo, so that should work to be able to remove it. Okay, well, hopefully, jeez. Okay, yeah, there it goes. It just was having a little bit of a hard time lifting from the page. Okay, so this is gonna be trash because I don't need that anymore. Let's just wait for that to dry and hopefully it is still sticky. Normally it is, but sometimes you just never know, especially when it's been stuck on something for so long. Gosh, wrong lid. Here it is. Okay. And I do think I'm gonna use this Miniso receipt, but I'm only gonna use part of it. So maybe like half, because I wanna use the other part for this spread I'm gonna make with the Ninja Turtle stuff. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this right over here. That's cute. So we can put this one. Oh, I didn't realize I was gonna be covering it. So maybe like something like that, maybe. We'll figure that out in just a second. Feel like I need to relax a little bit. But I do want to stick this down here, I think. Actually, I'm gonna add some washi as well. And then that can get stuck right there. I did get this from my friend, and this is like on cardboard and it can't be separated. Like, I think I could if I tried hard enough, but I'm not even gonna worry about it. I think this is good right there. So I'm gonna stick that down. Super focused. I've been all day watching, I don't know if y'all have watched Love Island, but I did. And I've been consuming all of the after they left the villa. So I've been watching all of the podcasts and all that stuff, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's a lot of content, but it is so much fun to watch, honestly. Okay, this is more of like something else. I don't think this goes. I don't even want to save this. This is how disappointed I am in the store. I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't even want to think about it. Maybe I can add this on here. It doesn't really go with the theme, and it kind of got ruined when I opened the packaging, but I think it'll be a fun little like kind of like peekaboo sticking out. Do you know what I mean? So I can cut some of this off like that. Okay, let me just make sure that I like the way this would look. Yeah, I think I do. So I'm gonna remove also this from the cardboard to just try not to like make it. Oh no, I ruined it. Of course I would. I think I'm still gonna stick this though. Like, why not? It's junk journal. It doesn't have to be perfect. I have to remind myself that. Because if not, I will spend so much more time. I would be really disappointed in myself for like doing that. But it's like, it's just a junk journal. It's fine. Like that. I do want to try to add some glue on these because it's like sticking up a little bit. And I actually have some, I wonder if I could like try to salvage some of it. Now it unsticks. Way to go. I wonder if I can just cut this off since I ruined that part and still stick this down a little bit maybe. I am gonna cut that off. And maybe we can still stick this down. Like right there. Is that weird? I think that's weird. I'm not doing that. Okay, but I do have some Kuromis that I got from a coffee shop. They had like little stickers for free. So I think these are stickers. If not, then they must be like, yeah, they're stickers, I think. Okay. So we can like stick these in different places since I just like introduced Kuromi into this page. Like, why not? And then we can put this one down here. She's like in a little bathing suit. Like, how cute is that? Okay, let's kind of want to put this one on my Hobonichi because it's so cute. I think I'm going to save that one. Okay, so let's see what else. I think this is actually pretty good for this spread, but I do want to add maybe some of the Hello Kitty washi that I have here. So maybe I can just put some in random spots throughout the page, possibly. So I think right here would be a good spot for sure. Right there, and then maybe on the top, right here. Yes, that looks so cute. I just need to trim some of this washi. Cute. Oh, I love that. I think that looks so cute. Do I have any like stickers? Like any, because I feel like this right here is a little empty. So I don't know. Maybe I can add something on there. Let me take a look. Hold on. Hold on. Pause. Just a quick pause. Some pictures. I do have more junk over here, but we should probably not talk about this. It's like random stuff that, again, I've accumulated. But let's see if maybe there's anything in here. Well, this could have been perfect if I would have known it was here. Ooh, what about this one? That's cute. This would have been so good, but I forgot I had that. I don't have anything else in here that I want to add. So I'm just going to stick these back in here. And I think I'm going to actually stick the rest of my stuff in here, but I think this is pretty good. I think it looks really, really cute. So I think I'm going to leave it as is. I'm not going to add any more. Because it's pretty busy already, and again, I don't want to like continue making it even thicker, but I think instead of making 2 spreads, we're just going to make 1 and leave it as is. And I think it looks adorable. I really want to get those letter stickers that look like the letter beads. I think that would look so cute. I did see a shop that was selling them, but I am not going to purchase any right now because I just purchased a really, really expensive journal, and my budget for craft supplies is empty for a while. But anyways, I think this turned out so cute. Thank you for joining me. I know this was a little quick one, but I appreciate y'all being here watching my videos, my silly little videos. If you made it this far, comment a little bear. I think a little bear would be really cute. And just to let y'all know, like every single video I've been asking y'all to comment like a very specific little thing. And I just think it's fun to see who makes it to the end, who actually watches the videos. And it makes me really excited to actually see y'all like comment what I asked for. I think it's just, I don't know, it just brings a lot of joy to me to see that this like little community that we've built together is like, it's actually a community and y'all support me, and so I appreciate y'all for watching every single video. Love you guys. But I thank you for watching this. I feel like I'm repeating myself at this point, but thank you for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to comment a little bear, and I will see y'all again on Sunday for a planner video. Bye. Also, I'm gonna post a vlog very soon, so stay tuned for that. Bye.